Did you know that you can control a Twinmotion camera with your phone? All thanks to the Unreal VCAM app, Twinmotion now has an early access virtual camera feature that is available for you to try. This feature allows collaborators to have hands-on experience in controlling the Twinmotion viewport without having to navigate the scene itself. Stakeholders or co-workers with no Twinmotion experience can easily check camera placement or movement in a scene. As an alternative to VR headsets, design clients can hold a tablet or a phone to move throughout a space and check out a design. Let's take a look at how it works. To get started, you will first need to make sure you have the Unreal VCAM app downloaded. You can get this from your phone's app store, whether it is iOS or Android. To connect your app with Twinmotion, you will input your computer's IP address, meaning your phone or tablet and your computer will need to be connected to the same network. Now let's get started setting it all up. Open up Twinmotion 2025.2 on a PC. Navigate to the eye icon in the right-hand corner. When pressing it, you will see a new option added to the list named VCAM. Go ahead and click once on the VCAM text to start the VCAM process. Now let's get the Unreal VCAM app set up. To do so, open up the app on your phone or tablet and select New Connection. Here you will need to put your address information. To find this, you can navigate back to Twinmotion, and in the same VCAM menu, you will find the IP information that you can type into your app. Once the information is in, you can connect and see the virtual camera in action. You'll see that the mobile device or tablet is able to take control over the viewport positioning in Twinmotion. In the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you will see a button that reads Add Image. This will take the coordinates of your camera in your tablet or phone and save an image into your Twinmotion model. They can be found in Twinmotion in the Media tab when the image button is selected. This allows for stakeholders and viewers to set cameras, and then Twinmotion creators are able to build it out further in the project. If you are looking for some alternative ways of moving in your scene on your mobile device or tablet, you can use the VCAM's app's joysticks. To do so, press on the screen and hold with your finger on the left or right-hand side of the screen. A light UI button will appear. These are joysticks, allowing you to further manipulate your position in Twinmotion. The left joystick controls directional forward, backward, diagonal, and side-to-side movement. The right joystick includes two separate movement controls. First off, you have vertical movement by dragging up and down on the screen. And then you have rotational movement by dragging left and right on the screen. You will see additional interface options on either side of your VCAM screen and Twinmotion screen. Let's take a look at what each icon does. On the left-hand side, we have a camera icon. This will have settings related to the camera properties. On the right-hand side, selecting the tool icon will give you access to the VCAM app settings. Let's dive in. The first camera setting available is the field of view. You can use the dial to adjust the settings accordingly. Next is the depth of field, allowing you to make changes to the focus, its distance, and camera aperture. Then we have ISO, allowing you to edit the camera's sensitivity to light. Now moving to the right side of the screen, we've got the hold icon. This will freeze the camera's location, making it easier to communicate with stakeholders about what is on the screen or reposition yourself in your physical space. Then we have the kill roll icon. This toggles the virtual camera rotation along the x-axis, keeping the camera level when moving around in your physical space. Below, we've got the scale and gain setting, which controls the sensitivity of the movement of the device and joystick movement. The scale can be helpful when working with larger projects, allowing you to move quicker through a space when navigating a project in a small physical space. Tile offset is next, which applies an arbitrary offset to the tilt of the virtual camera, making it easier to hold the device when viewing your Twinmotion project at an angle. Next is the zero to parent icon, which reverts the virtual camera position to its original position when starting the VCAM app. Last but not least, we've got the local space flight mode. This makes the joystick movement follow the forward direction of the camera instead of the world, giving you some additional options for controlling your camera in the VCAM app. If at any point you would like to exit your VCAM experience, you can navigate to your Twinmotion model. Once again, hit the eye icon on the top right-hand side, navigate to VCAM to stop the VCAM. Additionally, you can hit the escape button on your keyboard. Now this wraps up our tutorial on how to use your mobile device as a Twinmotion camera. The possibilities are endless for integrating this feature into your workflow. Happy exploring!